Morning, family, friends, and followers. Dr. Jimmy Henderson. I'm a cognitive scientist and also a member of the Rosicrucian Order. We are involved in spiritual and metaphysical study. So the question arises then today, what is metaphysics? Metaphysics is essentially the study of natural principles and which go beyond normal physics, the normal scientific research. It's sort of new areas opening up into consciousness, into the powers of the mind, into energy, and even quantum physics. Metaphysics combines all these different programs and different ideas into one sort of universal approach, and focuses especially on the powers of the subconscious mind. We don't realize how powerful our subconscious mind really is, and you can actually learn to program it and to bring about wonderful experiences, inner experiences, and bringing forth ideas and developing new mental skills such as mental creation, visualization, and basically fully utilizing the power of the human mind. So as a result, I want to introduce you to one of my latest books called Understanding Metaphysics, which is quite popular now on Draft2Digital and even Amazon. And if you're really interested in understanding what is metaphysics and self-development, developing the inner part of yourself, connecting with those hidden subconscious programs, and even learning to reprogram them, I would suggest that you get a copy of this book. Thank you.